continue on to the video, just need to be able to take a few seconds of your time. And so we want to be able to ask you a question. Are you looking to gain more referrals for your agency, your home health, your home care, your hospice agency? We want you to be able to join us at our online marketing bootcamp that has over 7.5 hours of training. When you actually watch our bootcamp and join our online marketing bootcamp training, you're going to get a free month access to our 10xpatientreferrals.com. So sign up for a limited time at 10xpatientreferrals.com and enjoy all the content. So let's go ahead and get back to the video that you're currently watching. Hey everyone, it's Michael here with Home Health Success Academy and 10xpatientreferrals.com. Just want to be able to talk to you guys about marketing, right? Our job here at Home Health Success Academy is to help agencies like you increase your referrals and of course increase your census and of course put up those profits for your home health, your home care, or your hospice agency. So in this particular video, we're going to talk about physician specialty marketing. That's right. So, if you've been out there marketing or if you're planning to start marketing out there, you probably have that basic presentation that you plan to do, right? You're going to say we offer skilled nursing, we provide physical therapy, occupational therapy, or if you're a home care non-medical, you provide homemakers or caregiver services, light housekeeping, and so. So those are the typical marketing, spiels that we all do. But in our company with our own agencies that we own, and at the same time as when we teach other agencies out there and how to market their company, we want to make sure that when you're doing your presentation, you're doing a specific niche, presentation. Meaning that if you're marketing to a physician, it's going to be different how you present to them and how you present to a social worker and a discharge planner in a hospital or a nursing home. Each one of those are going to be each individual marketing tactics or presentations. But when we are talking right now on this particular video is talking about physician marketing to physicians. And so, you can't just have a basic presentation for all physicians. You can't have what they call vanilla marketing, right? You have to have that specific flavor. So when you're marketing, let's say, for example, to a family practitioner, it's going to be different how you present the services to a cardiologist or an ortho specialist or gerontologist. Those are two or complete different type of specialties. So what we have is we have our physician-specific marketing flyers that, if we're talking to a cardiologist, we actually bring out that particular flyer, okay? And it's detailed in regards to type of potential patients that they're taking care of that would need home health services or home care services, and how our agency can actually help them specifically for those type of patients, what type of services, what type of care can we provide that's going to be able to be beneficial for those patients to be at home, to keep them longer at the comfort of their home. And that right there is an important thing. So, we don't just have a one flyer system, right? Most agencies, and I will more likely guarantee that your agency is the same exact way, I'll say about 97% of agencies out there are doing the same exact thing, is you have one trifold brochure. Now, I'm not even going to talk about why I don't believe in trifold brochures. That's going to be in another video. But right now, we're just talking about being more specific. So we actually will, spend some money. If we know we're targeting cardiologists a lot, we're going to actually specifically have flyers printed out nicely. We're going to have some nice, full glossy, multiple colored rack cards back to back that details all this information. Now, if you want our all of the variety of different physician specialty marketing flyers that we have that you can just print out yourself, put your logo in it. We have that available. We give it to any of our clients that actually joins our 10xpatientreferrals.com online training. That right there, we give it, automatically for free if they ask for it. If you just want that itself, we can actually sell that to you for $199. But honestly, you might as well just register and be a member for at least 1 month and you get it already anyways. But it's up to you guys. So it's already detailed per type of physician, for an ortho, for a cardiologist, for a family practitioner. These are things that we want to be able to make sure that you have. It's going to talk about the top diagnosis served by each one of those specialists. And then it also details how you can actually present it to them. Okay. These are such an important thing that you guys have to actually start looking into, is being more specific. Don't just have that one flyer thinking that that's enough. Now you might say, well, Michael, flyers cost so much money. It's costing me $300 just to print this one flyer. And I've seen agencies purchase 1,000 of those flyers, of those basic trifold brochure flyers, and they even still have it a year later. And my agencies, and what I actually always recommend to a lot of agencies that we consult for, is that you should be going through over 1,000 flyers each month, just the basic information flyers that you guys have. Right now, this is physician specific. If you want to save some money, fine. Don't pay the money, okay, to have these printed detailed. What you can do is you can actually invest in a laser printer, a multicolored laser printer, not an inkjet, a laser printer, because they print faster and also they are a lot better and more crisp looking. And so, for a multiple colored laser printer, it's just going to cost you, starting off with like a Konica machine for like less than $200 on Office Max, or you can go to Amazon and you can see it there. Okay, and so just having that allows you to be able to print this. So we actually have all these different specialties in one file, and what happens is you can just pull it up yourself, put your logo, put your phone number, and then when you go out there to market to physicians, if you know it's a cardiologist, for example, you take out the cardiologist flyer, you can then have that and your basic flyer, your trifold brochure, or if you have a rack card, whatever you guys want to use, and you can also put that into your presentation folder, right? So right there alone, it makes you different, right? We're not just saying, hey, we offer these type of services. We want to be able to get your services, doctor. It's saying, hey, doctor, we know you're a cardiologist. We know you're, ortho specialist. We know you're a family practitioner. And we know that these are the top diagnoses that you actually care for. And so this is the thing that we can do for those type of patients and why they need home health services or home care services. The truth is this, a lot of even physicians don't even know what type of patients should actually have home health services or home care services, and that it can actually benefit them rather than cause them harm, because all patients nowadays, or even before, wants to stay at the comfort of their home. They don't want to be in a long-term care facility. Some of them don't even want to be in an assisted living facility, and especially they don't want to be in a hospital. So what you need to do as a company to stand out, to make yourself different from other companies, is to do things differently than the other agencies, your competitors out there. You need to make sure that you stand out. And by being able to provide educational-based marketing material, and this is an example of an education-based marketing material, it allows you to be able to provide the physician some education on how you can help, which at the very same time, as rather than pushing your services, you're actually giving some information. And if you're the person who can give information and provide assistance, that right there is what's going to make you stand out. So what I want you guys to do is to start thinking about what are the things that you can do at this very moment to stand out. Now look, we're talking about physician specialty marketing. Same exact thing though. Think about it. You should have a different brochure when you're actually dealing with social workers from nursing homes, right? Because they have different problems and needs that you need to be able to help them with so that you can stand out. So, I know we're mainly talking about physician specialty marketing, but you should actually be more specific to nursing homes. Have a different flyer dealing with them, how you can help the discharge planner, not just the patients, but to actually help the discharge planner themselves, okay? Same thing with the hospitals, your social workers, the discharge planners over there. How can you be helpful to them, right? Now remember, we all want to provide quality care, right? That's what we all say sometimes. We want to provide quality care for our patients. I completely agree. But the thing though is these particular facilities, these physicians' offices, nursing homes, hospitals, they're not referring patients to you at this very moment. So at this moment, don't think about quality care or just for the patients. Think about what can you do to help that referral source so you can stand out, because they're your patients right now, because you want to solve their problem. You want to make it easy for them to refer patients. You want to make sure that you're easily, communicated to, that they can get a hold of you really fast, because these are some of the basic complaints that they have. But like I said, if you become somebody that educates more than that agency marketer who's pushing, asking for referrals, and they really haven't done anything else yet for that potential referral source, how are you going to be able to stand out? People will be able to refer to you if they know, they like, and trust you. And just because they know you, that doesn't mean that they're going to refer to you. So you want to be able to take them to a level of for them to be able to know you and move them along to trusting you. So once again, this is Michael with Home Health Success Academy. Our goal here at Home Health Success Academy is to be able to help you guys increase your referrals, increase your It's easy when you know what you're doing. Make sure that if you like this video, if you loved what I just shared with you guys, if you want more information, make sure you subscribe with our channel at the very same time, as we love to be able to hear from you guys, any questions, any comments, and also ring the bell downstairs and make sure you click that, because guess what? You're going to be notified when we have more new videos coming up in our channel. So once again, this is Michael with Home Health Success Academy and 10xpatientreferrals.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.
This video is brought to you by medicationreminderprogram.com. Are you trying to look for that one edge up to be able to get you more referrals or to get new referral sources? Well, that's medicationreminderprogram.com. If you start offering this for your patients and future patients, you're going to be able to show future referral sources that you're doing something different, that you're providing better services than your competition. The Daily Reminder program goes like this. We will call the patients for you twice a day and remind them to take their medications at 9 o'clock in the morning and at 5 p.m. A top reason for hospitalization of seniors is not taking their medications. So what you're going to be doing here is you're going to be giving them comfort of mind, both family and referral sources. So sign up to medicationreminderprogram.com right now. There's 3 packages available, but at the very same time right now, with code 50 off, you can actually get 50% off our Gold plan and the Platinum plan. So just stop by medicationreminderprogram.com and let us help you get more referrals. Let's go back to the video you're currently watching.
Hey everyone, we want to be able to invite you to our 10xpatientreferrals.com, where we have our online home health marketing academy that's going to be able to help either a home health, home care, or hospice agency increase referrals, increase their census, and create a profitable company. Now, at this very moment, you're going to have access to these information through these training, marketing to physicians, how to get to hospitals, how to be able to get into nursing homes, and much, much more at a month-to-month basis with no contracts needed. It's just month to month. Now, guess what? We are offering you guys for a limited time 50% off any one of our plans. Just choose which one is going to be able to work better for you. So just stop by the 10xpatientreferrals.com at any given moment. So these are the plans that are available, whether it's the gold, the silver, or the platinum plan. Most people go for the gold plan, but it's up to you what's going to work for you. We definitely want to be able to have you come in and work with us. So here's 2 choices. Go to 10xpatientreferrals.com or click the link down below. Take advantage of this right now at this very moment and sign up with us.